Hi, it's Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today I'll be showing you how to upgrade the memory or RAM in your Getac S400 G2. First thing you want to do is remove the battery and flip the unit over. There will be 4 screws holding down the center door. Remove them all. And that'll expose the RAM slots. You can put your new RAM in. And that's it. Put the door back and we're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.